Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Chris. 1 year ago today, something happened and it changed my life and the trajectory of what I'm doing for this channel forever. And it's a pretty amazing journey so far. I'm gonna tell you about it, give you a little bit of insight on what's happened, and well, hope you enjoy. Let's go. All right, before I get into this 1 year anniversary of sorts, let me tell you about what happened on March 12th of 2021. That was the day that I stepped out from public supermarkets into their management structure into basically this, into full-time content creation on YouTube. It's been about 18 months since I've been full-time, and since then, things have changed drastically. The 1 year anniversary I'm talking about, well, let me show you a clip. Check this out.
I think that looks so sharp.
So now that the drills are up on the wall, I was talking to my dad about it, and I said, hey, check this out. Look how these function. It's super great. And I said, you want some? you want a few holders? He was like, yeah, that'd be amazing. He's in the process of setting up his shop, so I did something. I went ahead and cut up 6 holders. This is a kit, essentially, for him. And right now, I'm just cutting them out for friends and family, but I want to know, I haven't taken this to market. I haven't put it on a website, but I think they might do well, but I would love to know your feedback. So hit that comment section up and let me know what you think. All right. And needless to say, he's got them in his shop now. Funny part about that is that we had a conversation about, should I make these tool holders on the CNC or should I make them on the bandsaw? We thought at that point, both he and I agreed, that it would be probably best for the channel if I made them on the bandsaw and showed how you could cut them out and not use any digital fabrication. I did. I cut a couple out on the bandsaw and I said, this is dumb. I have this machine and so do so many other makers, so why not do this? But then I asked that question, would you be interested? And yeah, the comments were amazing. So a week later, I put together a video that started like this. So tool storage is hugely important to a lot of us makers, especially a clean, nice, organized look. And that was the motivation behind making this video and this system. And I asked in that video, should I put these for sale? Should I put these holders for sale? And the response was overwhelmingly yes. So I've gone back to my CNC and I've redone this. And I'm gonna explain why I had to redo it and why I really should if I'm gonna offer it to you. And so I posted it. I put the product on the website, had one item, and woke up the next day to around $3,500 worth of sales. And then within 48 hours, we had over $5,000 worth of sales. It was insane, and the orders kept trickling in after that. And I was not set up to do orders. I remember my first 10 orders that came in, I blocked them off in 10. And it took me like almost 4.5 to 5 hours to do 10 orders. It was a mess. I was a mess. It took me 3 weeks to catch up. And realizing what had happened was, well, the audience just accepted it. And they were very forthcoming with, they liked the design and they supported me in this endeavor. And it was life-changing from then on out. And a lot has changed since then. We now offer over 20 products online, various things cut on a CNC and a laser, and it's been absolutely incredible. Now, it doesn't mean everything is a home run. So the idea is to keep innovating and to keep pushing the envelope on what does sell. The top 4 sellers at the moment right now are the original tool holder and upside down orbital sander mount for precision sanding. I'm really proud of that one because I use it all the time, and I've gotten great feedback from it. French cleats that go up on the wall, just regular old cleats. I just cut them down. It's not even a CNC thing. It's just work on the table saw. Those are number 3. And number 4, well, I gotta look. It's right here. Off the top of my head, I can't remember, but that's what's number 4. That's the top 4 selling items that we have. And it's been absolutely life-changing. And so with that, this anniversary means a lot. And I got a big announcement that can help you maybe save some money on what we offer. Watch how fast I can assemble this thing. Which brings me to today, and this is the latest and greatest. It just came out. This is a orbital disc sandpaper holder. Not only will it hold 5-inch and 6-inch discs, you can hold your sander up here. French cleats are built in, and it has an adjustable back bracket in case of the spacing of your cleats. That way this won't get in the way. Everything's customizable. And the cool part about this is that it assembles with zero glue. You could put this together on your coffee table with no glue and it would go together just like this. This is on the website. And speaking of the website, okay, this 1 year anniversary has been so, well, life-changing for me. I want to pay it forward and offer 25% off anything on the entire store for the next 2 days, okay? Starting today, which is September 6th, going into tomorrow and September 8th. By the end of September 8th at 11:59, this coupon code will not work. And that code is right here. Type it out, 1 year 25. That's the code. That will save you 25% on anything and everything in the store. If you've been wanting to pull the trigger on whatever we have, here's your chance. You got 2 days to save that kind of money. Wow, what an incredible journey. I mean, it's been unreal. And I can't thank you guys enough. It's just, from the bottom of my heart, I don't know what to say. Now, I know only about 1 to 1.5% of the audience that watches these videos comes over to the site. But that's been enough to keep us afloat. And I can't tell you how much it means to me. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you've never seen the site, it's down below. Everything's linked down below. And I want to encourage you to check it out because my job now is to produce content and to innovate and try to come up with various things that help makers get organized with products they really don't feel like making themselves. That's kind of the mission over here. So yeah, okay, that's all I got to say. Thank you so much. I'm happy to announce this new, I'm super proud of this thing. I mean, it's so cool. And thanks again. Again, the code, 1 year 25. There it is down below. Type it in, 25% off everything. You guys rock. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.